Okay, so we've got a 2015 Mazda 3 Maxx automatic hatch in a nice pearl white. Nice set of alloy wheels in the hatchback. Presents in really good condition. It's got logbooks with service history. It's due for service now, which we'll do. I think it needs a couple of tyres as well, but look, the nose looks like it's pretty good condition. No stone chips. Someone's put the weather shields on as well. So you got your cruise control, Bluetooth on the steering wheel. So it's done 51,000 kilometers, if you can see that. And it has the satellite navigation. It also has the reverse camera, your climate air conditioning, your automatic transmission. Seats are in very good condition. No damage to the seats. Look in the back seat. Yeah, but in the back seat looks like it's never been sat in. So look in the boot as well. Nice big boot. So it's got the Sky Active technology, which is the stop start. Very good value for money. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.